Hello all, welcome to my channel Learning Oasis. In today's video, we are going to see a trick to consolidate multiple Excel files into a single file using PowerQuery. And the thing is that each file can have different set of headers. Not necessary that everything should have the same number of headers or the same header names. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So before that, I have even posted another video how to do the same thing, but it had certain limitations. Okay, wherein all the files that you need to consolidate should be present in the same folder, and the consolidated file that you are going to create, that should also be present in the same folder. But herein you don't have any such restrictions. Each file could be in any different location, and you can consolidate with no issues. Okay, so let's see how to get started. So these are the three files that I'm trying to consolidate. One is 2019, 2020, and then 2021. So first thing what I'll do is convert everything into a table. For that I'll select the entire data and then use the keyboard shortcut Control plus T and then hit OK. So this will get converted into a table. Similarly, the other two files, I'll repeat the same steps. So now all three have been converted into a table. Just save all the files. So now this is where I want to consolidate all those three files. Okay. So go to the data tab, click on get data from file and then choose the option from Excel workbook. And you need to select the location where the files are present. So first one that is present in the 2019 folder, I will click on it and then click on import, and you will see a Power Query window opening up. Here you need to select the table and then click on load to. So it will evaluate the table and click on only create connection and then hit OK. So similarly, follow the same steps for the other two files. So we are done with 2019. Now we'll have to go to the 2020 folder and then select the file 2020 and then import it. Same thing, select the table, load to, only create connections, hit OK, and then again go to the third file. It's in 2021 folder. Select the file, click on import, select the table, load to, only create connections, click OK. So now what we have done is we have connected this file and then the three different files with the three different queries. So all three are being linked now. Next thing is that we'll have to combine all three together. So for that, go to combine queries, click on the append option and then click on three or more tables and then select all three tables and then hit OK. Okay, so if you see, all three files will be consolidated here. The other thing you would notice here is there are certain entries which are showing up as null. The reason for that is if you go to the 2019 file, it will not have the email address. Similarly, if you go to the 2020 file, it will not have the placement record. So it's 2020, you don't have the placement column here. So that's the reason those are showing up as empty. But the thing is that all are consolidated irrespective of the column count. This file had only 4 and the other files had 5 columns with varying header names, but still Power Query was smart enough to consolidate everything into a single file. Now all you need to do is click on close and load to existing worksheet, select a cell and then hit OK. So this would consolidate everything into a single file. So wherever we did not have entries, it is pulling up as empty, and wherever we had entries, the values are shown here. Okay. So the other best thing about using Power Query to consolidate files is that this is completely dynamic. Any changes you are going to the source file, that will automatically be updated in the destination file, which in where we have merged everything together. Okay, so let's just give a try. So in this file I'm going to add an entry. So this is added. So make sure once you do any kind of changes, always save the file and then go back to the destination file and then right click anywhere in the table and then click on refresh. So if you see, the entry that we added has come up here. Okay, so in case if you want to delete anything from the original file, you can go ahead and do that. Delete it, save it, and then come here and refresh. Those entries will be removed. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you all.